Over at Portland Automotive, we know tariffs and their impact on car repairs have been creating a lot of concern.
We have, as you know, a 25% tariff on cars. We have a 25% tariff on steel and aluminum.
We know car repairs are already a pain, and now with these tariffs back in action, prices on imported auto parts are rising fast. But don't worry, we're not just here to explain the problem. We're here with real solutions that'll help you save time and money. Let's start with what's happening. The tariffs that were originally imposed on Chinese imports, including tons of automotive parts, brake pads, sensors, filters, you name it, are either being reinstated or extended. That means higher costs across the board. These tariffs mean parts are getting more expensive and harder to find. If your car needs parts that come from outside the United States, you might be looking at longer wait times and higher bills, and that's frustrating. Trust us, we feel it too. But here's the good news. We've got your back. At Portland Automotive, we're taking action to lessen the impact of these tariffs on our customers. Alternative part sourcing, we may use high-quality aftermarket or remanufactured parts to help reduce cost. Transparent pricing, no surprises. We'll show you where every dollar goes so you're never in the dark. You'll know exactly what you're paying for and why. Efficient operations, we're tightening up our repair processes and workflows to cut down on labor costs and repair times, helping keep your total costs lower without cutting corners. So yeah, the tariffs are tough, but we're tougher. At Portland Automotive, we're not just watching prices go up, we're stepping up, adapting, and making sure you get the repairs you need without breaking the bank. If you've got questions or want to book an appointment, give us a call. At Portland Automotive,